It has never been more important to adopt a wellness program to support your team. You're navigating things that we've never navigated before. And when we choose to switch, or when we choose to feel better, or to increase or shift our vibration, now that feeling of overwhelm, now that feeling of it being hard or hustle shifts to ease and flow. Because I know what it's like as a leader. You're trying to grow the business, you have goals and strategies and targets you have to hit. But if you can move your body outside, if you can get out in nature and move your body every day, we need that grounding energy. It down, it makes it less overwhelming. When you look at the big picture, it's the unknowns for many of us that create those fears. So it's when you decide to prioritize yourself. And the thing I want to say about that, and in the book, what I talk about is you're the only one who can do that for you.
It's the way you see things.
It's so true, Annette. It's really about taking radical responsibility. So if we think about our happiness, we are responsible for that. But we're also responsible for our unhappiness or our misery. And it's really looking at the internal dialogue or the internal healing. That's the Me First journey.
You and your team can start raising your vibration. You can start to increase productivity, increase loyalty, and an overall culture that can thrive during these challenging times.